So you want to come into cosmetics area,
Not necessarily cosmetics, but skincare.
skincare. So what will be your product actually for skincare?
No, that's a secret.
Okay.
I will not talk about it right now. When it will be out, it will be out.
Poonam, you are a very good singer and
Yes.
your voice is very full of melody and you have sung a song I have heard, Look, Look, Look. So can you sing a song for our program?
I'm not sure if I can sing
Yeah,
the
two
whole
lines.
song, but
Two-
I'll
two
sing
lines,
two
yeah.
lines. ਇੱਕ ਲੁਕ ਪਿਆਰ ਵਾਰੀ ਸਜਣਾ ਸੋ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਰੱਬ ਦਿਆ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਤੱਕਣਾ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਲੁਕ ਪਿਆਰ ਵਾਰੀ ਸਜਣਾ ਸੋ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਰੱਬ ਦਿਆ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਤੱਕਣਾ
How you came in the singing world actually?
It is because of my mother. My mother is Maya Israni. She is a very renowned singer, actress, dramatist. In fact, I have followed my mother in everything. मैंने उनके जैसे ही political science में masters किया, मैंने उनके जैसे ही गाना सीखा, मैंने उनके जैसे ही acting की, मैंने उनके जैसे ही business संभाला. वो रेडियो स्टेशन पे काम करती थी और she was assistant station director on India Radio Bombay, and she was also in Jaipur. And mostly everybody remembers her and has very wonderful memories. She was very well renowned in Ravindra Manchal. She did a lot of plays. So I really followed her footsteps, and that's
What you learned from your mother actually?
everything. I learned everything from my mother and my father. Who I am today is because of my mother and my father. My father taught me how to have the grace and how to handle yourself in dignitaries and diplomats and it's IAS officers, chief ministers, governors. All this I learned from my father. My other side of my life, which belongs to, which is a part of acting and singing and what else comes with the culture, I learned from my mother.
Have you released any album, a music
Yes, I
album?
have released one music album prior to my movie, and that was very successful. Now I am going to probably do another album very soon.
What was the name of your music album?
Pia. It was called Pia.
So how many songs were there?
13 songs.
So can you sing a song from that album?
I don't remember.
That is close to your heart.
I don't remember any song. Maybe I'll sing one of my
Yeah.
mother's songs,
Yeah, yeah.
which is very close to my heart.
yeah.
Not a whole song again, but
Yeah,
just
yeah,
one. निगाहों में तुम हो, ख्यालों में तुम हो, ये जन्नत नहीं है तो फिर और क्या है, मेरे दिल को जो दर्द तुमने दिया है, मोहब्बत नहीं है तो फिर और क्या है, निगाहों में तुम हो.
You are very romantic actually.
No, that's my mother's song.
Poonamji, you produce a film, Aryan. So what was the experience of that American Indian?
You know, it was always my desire because I have done radio. I started doing radio when I was at the age of 6 in here. I started doing stage. I did theatre. I graduated from drama in Rajasthan University. I worked at Prithvi Theatres. I did soap operas, Vajanab with Shekhar Suman and Kiran Juneja. And then I went to US and I did television. I worked at Vision of Asia, ITV, and then finally Amitabh Bachchan's TV Asian. And I was a news anchor with them for many, many years. So my natural progression was movies. So I decided to do a Hindi movie, and I made a Hindi movie in Bombay. It is definitely an experience. It was not easy, I can say that. Thankfully for me, I have my brother here who took care of everything for me. But for somebody who doesn't have anyone over here, it could be horrifying because there are a lot of people trying to take advantage, and I don't think it is easy to make a movie at all.
The story was very good actually, and it was a new story.
Yeah.
So, but it could not make such kind of a big success in commercial
Yes.
world. Yeah. So, Can you?
The reason for that, I believe now when I look back, is that the theme of boxing is not really something that people in India can relate to.
Recently, a film has come Apne with the theme of boxing. With Dharmendra.
But it didn't do that well.
Yeah, it did.
It did okay.
Yeah.
But I think it's initially, maybe we were early
Yeah.
in our time to have made a movie on boxing.
Yeah.
And maybe the country was not ready.
The
at that
sports.
time.
It was a sports movie. You can
Yeah,
say.
maybe
Yeah.
the country wasn't ready, and maybe today the country is ready.
Yeah.
I wanted to create a movie that a family can sit and watch, and father shouldn't feel uncomfortable sitting with her daughter and watching a movie. And so my goal was to come up with a very clean, dignified movie.
So, what movies you like in Hindi? Your choice movies.
My favorite current movie is Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Yes.
Of course, Aryan.
Yeah. So you like the mature movies with
Yes.
comfortable scene
Family
actually.
scene. Yes.
You have worked recently in a Hollywood film.
Yes, I have worked in Hollywood film before Aryan, and it's called Star of Jaipur. And it went on HBO. It was also telecast here many times on Star TV here. In fact, people would call me and say, "Oh, we are seeing you on Star TV," and I'm saying, "Which movie?" Like, "Oh, Star of Jaipur." And so it still keeps on playing. It was directed by Chris McIntyre, who did a very renowned movie called Backstreet Justice.